All right, so we're going to go ahead and go over sales orders today. So we're going to take this from once it's already been quoted and we have selected to create a sales order. So if we take this one right here, you'll have a convert option on the screen right here once you create that quote, which will allow you to create a sales order. So we're going to use this as an example right here. This is just a random sales order that I created that you can then create the invoice after the sales order has been sent in. Just a reminder that this is for when we are purchasing. So this would be for materials that are not stocked that we have to purchase. So if we're buying from one of our vendors, travertine, marble, porcelain pavers, things like that, granite, we're going to be sending in sales orders. So once we're here, we're going to click on these three dots up here, and we are going to choose send email. From the choose inventory template, we are going to choose sales order template, which will, as it loads, it'll bring up that sales order. I'll increase that size a little bit so you guys can kind of see on the preview, but it's just a shorter version of our invoice, but it will let the vendor know what we need to purchase and when. So once that's pulled up, we're going to hit next, which brings us to our email. It can be sent to Justin, Fabi, the vendor, preferably both. In the sample, or in the subject line is going to be whatever we need it to be. I chose example as the name of the quote, which is what shows up in the subject line. So whatever the project is, if it's, Kingstone project or, customer's name, that's what'll show up in there, which can also be changed. Then it just gets sent off, and that is how these work. That's how our sales orders work.